Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. I am Shelby and today is 14th Feb. So happy Valentine's Day to everyone there. And tomorrow is my first offline class. Like, yes, I'm going to school for the first time for classes. I have visited my school for one or two times for submitting registration forms and copies, all that stuff. But for offline class, I'm going for the first time tomorrow. So that's a really exciting thing, and I'm really excited for it. So I think that everyone knows that before going to school, like every time we have to do all the back to school things. So today I'll just organize my everything which I have to do for tomorrow and for rest of the school which I have to go. So first of all, what I have to do today is my uniform. I have to take out my uniform, and after that I have to clear up my nail polish, which is really bad, but yeah, I have to do that. After that I have to do backpack and yes, all the backpack, emergency pack, whatever, emergency kit and everything, I have to make those. So let's do that. So guys, now what I have to do first of all is to take all my uniform. So tomorrow I have to wear a sports uniform, which is a t-shirt, a trouser and a jacket because it's winter time and we have to dress in winter uniform, that's why. So yeah, let's do that first of all. So guys, now my uniform is all set. So what I'll do next is to do my backpack for school, and tomorrow is Monday, so I have to follow Monday schedule. So let's do that. So guys, now it's 11:15 and I'm all done with everything. Like I have packed my bag, I have done with uniform and everything. So now what I'll do is studying, my night studying. Everyone knows it. I mean, you all guys know it because I have shown that in so many videos. So yeah, that's why now I'll go for studying till 3 o'clock because I have to wake up early at 7 o'clock for my schools because my school is at 8:30. So I'll wake up early, and that's why I have to like sleep at 3 o'clock means early, because otherwise I'll not able to focus or to wake up that much early. That's why. So yeah, now I'll go to study, and till then take care, and I'll meet you tomorrow. Bye and good night. So guys, I woke up at 7:15 and I immediately started brushing. After that I gone to kitchen for seeing what is in my lunch. So it was gobi ka bhujia because we have to take only dry food right now. And guys, this is my breakfast: bread, butter and Bonvita. So guys, right now I have worn my dress, like the uniform, and my breakfast is here. I think you seen it. And now what I'll do is do my skincare because I have washed my face and it's really dry. So I have to do my skincare also, and I have to make my hair. So first of all, I'll do breakfast. After that I'll do my skincare. After that I'll do my hair. And let me tell you that I do not take shower before going to school. Like I always come back and after that I take shower because it's really cold now. That's why I'm wearing sweaters and jackets. So yeah, that's why when I'll come I'll take shower, but now I have washed my face and I'll take my breakfast. So now let's take breakfast. So guys, now it's time for skincare. So guys, now I'm ready and I'm seeing myself like this after 1 year, which is really exciting. And now what I'll do is just go downstairs. Yup, because for lunch and for water bottle. So let's go. So guys, after going to downstairs, I packed my bag, like lunchbox and everything. After that, I wore my mask because mask is important wherever you are going, school or somewhere else, but mask is compulsory. So guys, now I'm going to school. Let's see you there. So guys, this year I am being walker because this is my first day of going to school. So uh, I'm not going with the bus facility. I am going with my dad. My dad is dropping me. So yeah. So guys, if you can see, this is my look now after coming from school. It's 1:45 now and I came back from my school right now only, and yeah, and I started vlogging immediately because I wanted to tell you that the school was really amazing, really good, excellent, but also tiring because मैं उतने साल नहीं उतने महीने से स्कूल नहीं गई एंड 1 साल हो चुका है तो थोड़ा आदत छूट चुका है जिसकी वजह से वैसा कुछ हुआ नहीं तो इसीलिए बट बहुत सारे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ चल रहे हैं अभी स्कूल में विच इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट या इम्पॉर्टेंट चल रहे थे दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड दैट्स वाई आई विल मेंटेन टू गो टू स्कूल एवरी डे एंड कल बाय द वे सरस्वती पूजा है सरस्वती पूजा वॉट एवर सो हैप्पी सरस्वती पूजा टू एवरी वन एंड इट वॉज अ रियली गुड स्कूल डे इतने साल के बाद इतने महीने के बाद स्कूल जाने के बाद मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया एंड आई थैंक एवरी एंड ईच ऑफ द person which appreciated me for vlogging or for YouTube. So thank you so much. मैं स्कूल जब गई तो बहुत लोग ऐसे थे जिन्होंने मेरे को बोला फॉर माई व्लॉगिंग एंड फॉर माई यूट्यूब. सो आई रियली फेल्ट गुड. सो थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन. क्योंकि अधिकतर लोग, मुझे जहाँ तक पता था कि अधिकतर लोग को पता नहीं है मेरे व्लॉगिंग या यूट्यूब के बारे में, बट पता था. सो जिनका एक्सेप्ट भी नहीं किए थे उनको भी पता था. तो आई रियली लाइक दैट थिंग एंड मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा. एंड आज का स्कूल बहुत ज़्यादा मस्त था, इसीलिए मैं परसों भी जाऊँगी. कल तो वैसे छुट्टी बिकॉज इट्स सरस्वती पूजा. सो होप अगर आप भी स्कूल जाए तो मुझे अपना बताना कि कैसा हुआ एंड एवरीथिंग. सो टिल देन बाय एंड टेक केयर. बाय द वे हैप्पी सरस्वती पूजा टू एवरीबडी इन एडवांस, क्योंकि वो कल है. सो या टिल देन बाय.